my afternoon project is my EverRide Hornet. The gas line here, I thought it was just a filter. I had to drain both of these because I thought what was filter problem was not. Put a nice new filter on there, and it was hardly getting any gas. And finally got them drained. Took forever because I didn't want to take off right from here because it's going to drain way too quick. And so it was just dripping out. Took a day or so to finally fill up. You know, naturally I had those tanks full. So finally get down, I get the pipe or this line here off. I get the line here and the line here off, they're all good. The line that went from the T to the tank here on the left was the problem. So we got a new line on there. And then I had to go buy new clamps, these here. These are really nice. You just squeeze them with a pair of pliers, and I gotta rotate that one before I put it back on. Let's do it right now. Those are really nice because you squeeze with a pair of pliers, you rotate them back, and you're all good. And they're reusable. The other ones, like this, are factory put on, I would imagine, and they are a pain in the butt. You always, whenever you take them off, they always break. So at least this one, I'll get a little bit forward so it holds better. There we go. Those are nice because you can always just squeeze them, push them back, and then if you ever mess with gas hoses, they're a pain in the butt. You gotta really kind of work them back and forth before they snap loose, and then you can slide them off. They really kind of grab onto these. So this one here is going to come back here, go underneath the negative, get that line through, turn this back around so I got more room, and behind the wiring harness, and hopefully I don't get too much junk in there. There's all kinds of still grass and everything on there behind that. I'm going to have to put that back on the wall there. So pull this through. Kind of hard to do one-handed and holding onto the camera. And naturally that got in the way again. There we go. And it's through. So then push this one back down through. Pull this back. And you can see it way down there. I'm going to have to get in that with both hands. And then I'll have to zip tie that hose back up. The right tank rides up here, then it comes across this. There's some weed whacker string there. I got to throw that out. Comes up across the cross beam here. Goes in that T, and then it siphons off both. And then this one will lay back further. Comes in here, goes around, keeps going. Hopefully that was my only problem. Otherwise, this thing is a beast and I love it. It cuts through everything. It's got a hitch on the back. It's got a hitch up here on the front. Seat came off. This thing is just awesome. Should have bought one of these mowers years ago. Alrighty, well, that's how you replace gas lines. So, let's see this here. The gas line comes up. There's those fluted ribs on there to hold it on. I got to put another clamp on there before I get too far. This pulls out right of this orange gasket, and that gasket just pushes into the tank. Alrighty. Thank you for watching. Be safe, be cool. Like and subscribe.